Hi, I am Diana Milena Andrade Diaz. I am studying a language and bachelor degree at UNAT University. Welcome to our program. What is your name?
My name is Angie Andrade,
How old are you?
20 years old.
What time do you wake up every day?
I make out 7 a.m. every day.
How do you start your day?
I start my day by brushing my teeth, taking a shower, and having breakfast.
Do you have breakfast every morning? What do you usually eat?
Yes, I have breakfast every morning. I usually eat eggs, toast, and cup of coffee.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books, listen to music, and go to the gym.
Where do you live?
I live in Campo Alegre, Huila.
Do you prefer casual or formal clothes?
I prefer casual clothing like jeans, shirt, and tennis shoes because it is more comfortable.
What is your favorite outfit?
My favorite clothes are short blouse and shoes.
Do you like sunny or rainy day?
I like sunny days because they make my hair happy.
Are you studying or working?
I am system engineering student.
What what is the weather like in Campo Alegre?
It's very sunny.
What do you wear in school?
I wear a coat when it's cold.
What do you wear when it's very sunny?
Usually wear sunglasses, shorts, sandal, blouse.
What do you wear to a party?
I usually wear dress on formal pants to a party.
Okay, see you later, Angie. Thank you very much.
Okay, bye.